Lazarus, aka Son of a Southern Chef, and today it's all about pizza. That's right, I'm gonna eat like the Ninja Turtles all day long. Got a lot of crime to fight today, but I've gotta stay fueled up with my breakfast pizza. I need a better sword, guys. So, we got bacon, we got that cheese, good stuff. We got our pizza dough, eggs, chives, and some cream. I don't know what that's for. We'll figure it out. Time to crack some eggs. Guys, I forgot to add the cream. It's an ingredient that's supposed to go on the pizza, but I'm gonna add it now. I have to say, this is an upscale breakfast for sure, but let's take a bite. Definitely not something that you would find in the sewer in New York, but maybe you would. I mean, if I found this living in a sewer, I would probably grab a bite at it. Yep, oh yeah. And apparently Michelangelo likes to add a little bit of hot sauce, so I'm gonna dab it. Woo! That was hot, I need a little more. Definitely a wake me up breakfast pizza. The bacon, nice and crispy. It's pretty solid. Well, I've got to stay fueled up and solve all the world's problems. Yeah. You gotta save the planet, people. Yeah. Let's go stop some crimes. Alright, so I'm channeling my inner Raphael. You know, that's how he talks, all like that. And we're gonna make our holy guacamole pizza! For our pizza, we need pizza dough, queso blanco, some olives, and then we're gonna make pico de gallo, red onion, tomato, jalapeno, lime juice, and of course some cilantro and salt and pepper and stuff. That's our pizza dough. It's ready for the oven. Avocado for my guac. Yeah. Shawabanga! I dig it. I feel like I'm eating a nacho. You know what? If I was making this again, I'd probably put more guac. I would double the recipe and like give me more guac. Okay, random question. Does anyone out there know what the ninjas actually drank? I mean, think about it. They live in a sewer, they eat pizza, we know that. But what are they drinking? Yes. May I order a large pizza pie, and I want all the toppings. Onions, bacon, mushrooms, peppers. Oh, add pineapple to that, please. And let's just do extra cheese and sausage, no anchovies. Excuse me, 45 minutes? That's a really long time. Okay, I'm sorry, you can cancel that order. I'm just gonna go and find myself some pizza because I don't have 45 minutes. Let's go. Alright, I've made it to my pizza shop, and look, how convenient is that color? It's all green, that's a sign. Just like Mikey, I'm gonna get me a slice of pepperoni pizza.
really good. But I feel like one slice won't do it. Woo! Pizza! Pizza! Yes, pizza!
We are down to our last pizza of the day. It is none other than the S'mores Pizza. We're gonna make our crust. It's graham crackers, brown sugar, salt, and some melted butter. The crust is ready, and I'm about to put on all my toppings. This pizza is totally tubular. I have to be honest, I'm kind of pizzaed out, but we are Ninja Turtles today, and we're gonna go for it all the way to the end. Whoa, there's 2 layers of marshmallow. That is brilliant. It makes me really happy. Pizza, morning, noon, and night. I'm pizzaed out. I have to say though, their recipes were very creative. The S'mores Pizza, like really a favorite. I might end up making it again. For all of you who are thinking about going on this challenge, do it. It's life-changing. You will be pizzaed out. It's no easy life living under the streets of New York. Turtle power!